Okay, so good day everyone. I am Engineer Asnifa Labuging. So before we begin, let me ask you a question. So last meeting we have discussed the module 2 in which we identified a problem that customers experience, no? So today, I imagine you've finally found a problem worth solving. So the question will be, does that automatically mean you've already found the best solution? So probably not, no? So that is the reason why actually many entrepreneurs fail because they immediately implement the first idea that comes to their mind instead of exploring better alternatives. So this brings us for today's lesson. So now I'll be discussing with you the module 3 solution idea generation, lesson 1 examine ideation techniques. Okay? So at the end of today's lesson, you should be able to appreciate why brainstorming works better in teams, explain the ground rules of brainstorming, and generate multiple solution ideas for a real world problem. Okay? So imagine this situation. So before I'll give you a situation class, let me share with you the goodness of this Ignite platform, no? So in this platform class, just try to explore this one because it's very good actually. So under our lesson today, which is the um examination techniques, you will have the introduction, brief introduction. So once you click the introduction class, it will bring you to the glossary of terms in which you will see the terms that needs to be defined before proceeding with this lesson, no? So you have the addition. So once you click the arrow, so it will bring you with the video discussion of the definition of ideation. So for example, this one, ideation is the process of generating and developing new ideas or solutions to address identified problems or opportunities. So you also have the other terms. You have brainstorming, impact, and product innovation. Just click the right arrow and then you will have to read and you can also listen the definition of terms. So after that, there is a provided quiz. It's very good actually because it will allow us to recall what we have read from the terms. No, actually, hindi lang yung definition yung ini-evaluate sa quiz. Minsan there is ano talaga yung, if naintindihan nyo talaga yung concept behind the terminologies. Okay, because there are true or false questions actually, no? And then also we have the concept primer and concept booklet. So once you click this concept booklet class, if you will see this arrow and then you will click that, it will automatically allow you to download this module. So it's very easy to use, no? It's this platform, no? Okay. Okay, so now let us proceed with giving you a sample situation. So, for example, the university cafeteria always has long lines. So, if you were the owner, what would be your first solution? Okay, so let me call two students, two of your classmates to answer my question. Okay, sige, stand up. Okay, sorry, raise your hand na lang. Ah, nasanay ako sa face-to-face klase natin, no? Okay, so, add another cashier daw, according to your classmate. Okay? Okay, build a larger cafeteria according to your classmate then. Okay, so having their answers class, do you think these are the only possible solutions? Okay, so no, exactly, no? So, entrepreneurs don't stop at the first answer only. They generate many ideas as much as possible. So, that process is called ideation. Okay? So, do you now understand what is ideation? Okay, so now let us define brainstorming. Brainstorming class is a collaborative technique where people generate many ideas as much as possible without judging them. So take note of the word without or without judging them. So everyone's ideas is welcome. Walang dapat pagtawanan idea. Dapat lahat welcome yung idea nila. Kasi nga, the goal is not to find the perfect idea immediately. Okay? But the goal is to generate many possible ideas as possible. Okay? So, why? Bakit? Even we think na yung idea ng kasama natin is napaka walang sense, napaka useless, but we still have to welcome those things. Especially minsan may mga members tayo na parang crazy yung ideas nila, no? So, minsan actually class, yung crazy ideas na yun yung pinanggagalingan ng innovative ideas talaga, no? Again, class, because quantity increases the chance of discovering quality. Okay? So, in our Ignite platform class, in this platform, you will see our booklet on this module, which explains brainstorming as a collaborative method that promotes divergent thinking, creativity, and the generation of multiple ideas within a limited time. Okay? So, why do we need to brainstorm in teams, class? Because teams provide different experiences, different perspectives, more creativity. Of course, the more members we have, the more creative idea we can have, no? Better solutions. Kasi for example, ako, mag-raise ako ng idea ko. So, at first, medyo ano pa siya, level 1 kumbaga siya. And then, of course, by having more members, mas maano nila, kumbaga, mas ma-redefine nila yung idea ko. Or mas ma-improve pa nila yung idea ko, no? So, for example, let us consider a product, no? So, for example, to we are planning to have a new backpack. Okay, so if you will ask a student, of course, she or he will prioritize comfort kasi nga everyday niya yan dala-dala eh, 'di ba? So, a traveler may prioritize storage kasi nga traveler siya. And as for me, as an engineer, of course, I prioritize durability kasi nga nasanay kami sa durable materials, no? And then a business owner may prioritize cost kasi nga business minded yung tao. So, why do we have to consider those preferences of different people? Because the different perspectives produce stronger innovations class. Okay? So the concept booklet highlights the team ideation, produces multiple ideas, incorporates diverse perspectives, and enable teams to compare and refine solutions. So even successful companies uses brainstorming actually class. Do you know that Google allows employees to spend part of their time developing new ideas, and that was the reason actually kung bakit na-create si Gmail. Okay, yun yung actually ginawa ng Google. And another example, yung sa Coca-Cola company class, yung Share a Coke campaign nila, doon din galing yung ano nila, yung Share a Coke campaign nila, nanggaling din yung idea na yun sa brainstorming. Okay? So, another things class is there are ground rules for brainstorming. So, let me just summarize because our time is only limited, no? So, always remember class, nasa brainstorming, walang dapat ma-discriminate, walang dapat ma-criticize na idea, hindi natin dapat i-judge yung idea ng mga kasama natin. So, just review, I'll allow you to read, I'll allow you to have your time to read the module, and then please review the rules for brainstorming class. And then for your activity class, papunta lang kayo dito sa Venture Journey. And then makikita nyo yung next activity natin, which is the activity 3.1. Kasi ito yung associated activity class for that lesson. So, activity 3.1, you are required to generate multiple solution ideas. So, since limited lang yung time natin, I'll give you the situational problem later. And then, the instruction will be to review your team's problem statement, brainstorm as many ideas as possible, defer judgment, build on each other's ideas, and finally, class, after having your brainstorming, choose your top 3 solutions. If needed, you may also use the AI Copilot or ChatGPT on this platform to help refine your ideas. So that is the good thing actually here, no? So remember, the first idea may solve the problem, class, but the best idea can change the world. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you, everyone.